Hello to all of you budding Houdini artists. Today I want to quickly look at how to make selections using normals, and it's a pretty simple setup to do. So let's start by creating a cube. Okay, there's my cube. I'm going to now bevel that cube to give it some softer edges. Let's do that quickly. Alright, cool. And let's add some more resolution to that. There we go. Alright, that's looking good. Now what I want to do is subdivide it in order to give it more resolution. And let's jump that up a little bit. How far can we go? Okay, let's go right up there to a depth of 3. And now I can see that I've got 3,456 primitives. Alright, nice. Now the question is, how do I select one side? So if I'm in my selection tool and I click on this, I actually select the whole thing. And it's pretty difficult to do. Let's say I want to just select them maybe this way, but I'm still getting bits around the edges. I can go into my top view. Let's try it that way. Okay, let's do that in top view. And now I'm going to try and select them. Okay, maybe I can delete some of these. Alright, let's look what we've got there. Okay, I've almost got it, but I've still got a few around the edges that I don't like. It's basically a little bit difficult to do it this way. However, they all have something in common, and that is that they all point in the same direction. So if I turn on my normals, I can now see that those normals are all pointing in, for example, in this direction. So there's a way that I can select based on the direction of those normals. So let me turn this off a moment. And if I go into my selection mode again, there's a little button here which is select by normal. Okay. And what I can do now is I can just click on and it selects everything. That's a bit bizarre. Why is it doing that? Well, the reason is that this spread angle here is too wide, and so it's selecting everything. What I need to do is narrow that spread angle, and so what I will do is I will have that to say 30. And now, I'm still selected everything. I'm going to have to cut that down even more. So let me cut that down to 10. And now I can see that I can select just the whole face that I want. So now I can select that face and I'm good. All right. So, and I can do that with any shape, and some shapes are more complex than others. But that's basically how it works. So remember, it's this little button here. I can turn it off now. I've already, let me make another selection. There we go. And I can turn it off, and now I can add to that selection by holding the shift and selecting what it is that I want. Alright, hope that helps a little, and you guys have a great day.